Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about compass. Compass is an instrument containing a magnetized pointer which shows the direction of magnetic north and bearings from it. It has parts which are north arrow, dial graduations, south arrow, and direction of the go, which is yellow. You have to specify your direction of the go in the images. For example, set the yellow arrow as direction of the go. Reposition your compass by finding north. This time, you are facing north, 18 degrees east. Now, you are facing northeast. To find west, where the sun sets, you turn around together with the compass. Set the red needle to the north. Now, you are facing west. This reads either south 90 degrees west or north 90 degrees west. Using reference compass bearing, basically every direction has to start with either north or south. Southwest of the compass belongs to either west or south. You read within a range of south to west. That is why you have south 18 degrees west. How to find this? East is the direction toward the point of the horizon where the sun rises. Observe the magnetic needle. I am going to find east. I am going to reposition the magnetic needle to north. This time, the direction of the go is facing east, where the sun rises. Through bearing, everything is measured from the north. In this example, it measures 18 degrees true. This one, the direction of the arrow reads 270 degrees true. Global Positioning System is a radio navigation system. It uses radio waves between satellites and a receiver inside your phone to provide location and time information to any software that needs to use it. Your phone's GPS receiver uses the data from these signals to triangulate where you are and what time it is.